Hey everybody, it's me, Duolingo. Hey, do you want to come inside to my clubhouse? Well, alright, let's go. Haha, I almost forgot. To make the clubhouse appear, we get to say the magic words. The magic words are Miska, Małezka, Duolingo. Say it with me. Miska, Małezka, Duolingo.
Duolingo, Duolingo. It's the Duolingo's Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. Duolingo's Clubhouse. Roll call. Diego, Leo, Lily, Floof Dog, Boo, Girlingo, Duolingo.
Right here.
It's the Duolingo's Clubhouse. Come inside, it's fun inside. Duolingo.
It's the Duolingo's clubhouse. Florence Nightingbird.
Hi, I'm Girlingo.
Hi, I'm Lily.
Hey everyone, it's me, Pooh.
Oh my god, Pooh.
How dare you? That's it.
That's it. Haha.
Hi, I'm Duolingo. What? This is amazing.
I agree.
Oh no way, 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 oh no way. Hi, I'm Girlingo.
Hi, I'm Lily. What?
What? Oh no way,
Ha 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 ha.